In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate your Gmail account with HubSpot using their connector app. This integration is a powerful tool that can streamline your workflows, helping you manage your customer interactions more efficiently. Let's dive in and go through each step together to ensure you get set up without a hitch. First things first, let's get you logged into your HubSpot account. Go ahead and open your preferred web browser, navigate to HubSpot's website, and enter your login credentials. If you've forgotten your password, just follow the prompts to reset it. HubSpot will guide you through that process smoothly. Once you're in your HubSpot dashboard, take a look at the top navigation bar. You'll notice a variety of icons up there, each offering different features. What you're going to focus on is the marketplace icon. It often looks like a storefront or a puzzle piece. Go ahead and click on it. This action will open a drop-down menu with several options for you to choose from. Now, from this menu, you want to select the App Marketplace. This is where all the magic happens, as it will contain a wealth of apps that can enhance your HubSpot experience. With the App Marketplace open, locate the search bar and type in either Gmail or Google. Hit Enter to begin your search. What you're looking for is the official HubSpot connector for Gmail app. Usually this app is developed by a reputable third-party provider like iEnterprises or even by HubSpot themselves. Once you've found the app listing, click on it to open the detailed information page. Here you'll find everything you need to know about the app, including what features it offers and any special conditions or permissions. If you're satisfied with what you see and are ready to move forward, look for the Install App button and give it a click. Clicking this button will redirect you to the Google Workspace Marketplace, where you can complete the installation. Don't worry, this transition is seamless, and you'll soon be ready to rock and roll. As you progress through the installation process, follow the prompts provided. You'll be asked to grant the necessary permissions to link your Gmail account with HubSpot. These permissions are crucial, as they allow the two platforms to work together effectively. Rest assured, both HubSpot and Google take your data security very seriously, ensuring a safe integration. That's it. You've successfully navigated through the installation process. Once everything is installed and permissions are granted, your HubSpot and Gmail accounts will work together in harmony, helping you manage emails and streamline customer interactions with ease. Enjoy the enhanced functionality and newfound efficiency in your daily operations. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.